초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another style and sexy lingerie ang ating ihulang review for today. This is also a see-through lingerie panty because this is a lace lingerie. So without further ado, let's begin. Wow! This is so sexy. Ang see-through lingerie panty, ang ganda ng style niya. At ang kulay niya ay light yellow. Look at this. Scallop po yung kanyang leg hole niya. Look at this, ang style ng sa leg hole. Wow, ang ganda. Very nice. This is a back view. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang tahi. Wow! Very good quality. So, tingnan natin yung dugtungan. Wow! Nice! This is perfect quality sewing. Look at this. Even here sa joint, ang ganda. At stretch po siya. At this is a crotch. Perfect. Meron siyang so safe na safe yung ating private part dito dahil nilagyan nila ng lining na cotton. Also here sa dugtungan, nice. Very nice ang quality ng kanyang tahi. Very nice. Napakaganda po ng kanyang quality product. And the style, look at this front view. And this is a back view. Nice quality. Very see-through. So, cool na cool po ito kapag sinuot mo ito. This is a bikini panty. Look at that. Wow, nice. So, doon sa may mga look at this dugtungan, oh. Perfect. Talagang okay talaga sa quality. Yan, oh. Ang ganda talaga. Pati yung stretch niya, yung tela niya, yung material, very cool. At see-through, so cool na cool talaga ito kapag sinuot mo, di ba? Look at this. Very nice po talaga. Good quality. So, this is a 2 thumbs up for me. Napaka-nice po ng quality nito. So, di na kailangan mapatagalin pa. So, doon sa may mga almo, ito ang pwede sa inyo na feeling sexy ka at feel cool. So, that is for today for our sexy see-through lace bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.